Before you start working on the brake master cylinder or with anything with brake fluid or clutch fluid inside it, get a pair of gloves on. Rubber gloves are ideal for this. Now, I know that the fluids are already drained out of this car, so I'm just going to work in these gloves. But a pair of waterproof gloves, ideal for the job. Right, from here, we're going to continue by taking off the brake master cylinder, taking off the clutch master cylinder. The reason behind that is that it's much easier for us to drain the fluids this end rather than at the other ends of the pipes, which is on the corners or down at the gearbox. Much easier, drain the fluids here. So we'll go inside the car, take off 4 nuts that hold the brake master cylinder on. So inside here, inside the driver's footwell, we have 4 nuts that we need to remove. You'll need a long 12mm socket to get on these. Okay, with all 4 nuts off, it's back into the engine compartment. So you'll want to syringe out the brake fluid from inside the reservoir. In this car, we've already drained all the fluid, so we're not going to do that. But what to do is get in there with a syringe it out and drain all the fluid that you can out of this end. So to remove the brake master cylinder, we're going to disconnect this hose, undo these 2 brake pipe nuts, and make an electrical disconnection this side. And we'll just disconnect this connector and label that. So we just take off the hose clip and pull the hose back. I'll use a 10mm wrench to slacken off these brake union fittings and remove them. So we'll just remove the brake master cylinder, working it around the pipes and connections. So with a job like this, it's inevitable that you're going to spill some brake fluid around. So we'll just clean up this area here. If you were using full brake fluid, then you would want to wrap this with rags or something to soak it up. But in our case, that's fine. Brake fluid, horrible, nasty, corrosive stuff. So we want to leave this nice and clean.